My sister works in a beauty salon and revealed this secret to me. The long, bushy eyelashes are the desire of many men and women. Some disease or roughness of some eye makeup products are just a couple of factors that contribute to the loss of eyelashes. Many people take extreme care of them, so when an accident happens to them and they lose them, they mortify to a great extent. It is important to know that there are some things you can do to encourage eyelash growth and accelerate this process. With Vaseline. With an old clean brush of mascara or with a swab, apply Vaseline on your eyelashes. After about 5 weeks you will start to notice the difference. With lip balm. This is one of the most recommended. Just apply a lip protector on your eyelashes from the inner corner of the eye to the outer to cover all the eyelashes. This you should do before going to sleep and then cover your eyes with a silk bandage. Once awake, clean your eyelashes by removing the balm from your eyes and then before leaving apply 2 layers again to penetrate well and achieve the results you are looking for. Why is it so recommendable? Because it serves 2 things. After a while you will achieve longer lashes and also, while you use your lashes will appear more arched naturally. Some tips I could recommend are the following. Foods with potassium, calcium and magnesium help your eyelashes grow, and foods containing iron, copper and chromium help your eyelashes not to fall out. Keep in mind also that the body needs amino acids for any type of hair to grow more and more healthy. Keep these facts in mind and improve your diet, because nutrition is key for the whole body, including to have better eyelashes. Take off your eyelash mask every night, without exception, before bed. Do not remove the makeup, will progressively damage your eyelashes. In the morning apply a product with vitamin E on the eyelashes using a swab, before putting on your makeup.